home, school, and society to join hands to make every child a self-motivated agent of social transformation.
At certain moment in human history, education must also act as a powerful instrument of profound social transformation. And the time of human history has arrived when education must be the cause of change. All education must be concerned with the affairs of the age. We all know the affair of the age is disunity, lawlessness, brutality, terrorism. There are so many ills in the society that education must give answer to all these questions. But what is happening in the world today is the result of our kind of education we have given to our people. If we want to bring about a change, it can also be brought about by only education. It is the education which makes a man a good man or makes a bad man. Man has three realities of life. Man is a material being, man is a human being, and man is a divine being. But when we give only material education, devoid of human and spiritual education, then man becomes only material. But what is important is there is a balance. There should be a balance in life of all the three realities of life, that is material, human, and divine.
And friends, enjoy the cultural programs put up by the students of the branch.
Next, we have the schools from the country characterized for being the potential superpower of the world by a number of academics. Can we please have on stage the Moscow Chemical Lyceum?
In science, technology, medicine through biotechnology, it's golden age. In science, technology, medicine through biotechnology.
Now we have Jubilee School from Jordan. Could you all please make your way to the stage? Coming from the Arabian land of cultures and ethnicities. Can we have a huge round of applause for them? We accord you a very warm welcome, Jordan.
Next in line, we have the teams from Sri Lanka, the pearl of the Indian Ocean. Could we please have on stage the Nalanda College and the Isipathana College?
The principal proposed the vote of thanks. Quest 2011 opens up the grand portal that is biotechnology. Founder manager of City Montessori School, Dr. Jagdish Gandhi, delivered a speech on the kind of education required for the 21st century.
You should be ahead of the classes through hard work and through merit. Every child should be excellent in his chosen field or chosen subject. So this is called material education. But material education alone cannot make you successful in life, cannot make you happy in life. To be successful, to be happy, you need a balance in life, and the balance of all the three realities of life. Man is the material being, man is a human being, man is a divine being. So you need the balance of all the three realities of life. Therefore, you need education, not only material education. In this period, I am not talking anything about material education, biotechnology or science, but I am talking of human education and the divine education, which is also the reality of a man.
We shall bring to you many more on Quest 2011, same time, same channel. Till then, may peace prevail on earth.